What's up, everyone? So I got myself another Craftsman tools for restoration. This one is Craftsman Oilless Piston Sprayer model 283-1431. I did a video about a companion bench grinder, and the owner of that bench grinder was a nice gentleman, and he told me to restore that for him, and he will give me this one, and which he did. I appreciate it, by the way. I checked on YouTube, and there's a gentleman also on YouTube. His channel is TRW. I'll put the link on the description so you can check it out. So he does the full restoration. He opens up everything. It's a little fast, but he opens up everything, paint, clean up, and then put it back. He does a great job, actually. I liked it. I watched his video multiple times before I even go with this. I just wanted to know what I'm going to expect. And so I'm not gonna do a full restoration video because he already has done it. So just please go check out his video. On mine, I'm gonna do a little bit of disassembly and show mostly the wiring and how it works, and if I see anything interesting, I'll talk about it. It works, which is good, but it's very loud. I have to do it very quickly. I'm on an apartment. I can't make too much noise, so let's see. I have to lift it, by the way, because it will vibrate the ground. Let's go. Oh boy. That is loud. I'm just not sure if this is normal for this type of piston sprayers, or this one is maybe basically just because it's old and dusty inside. But we'll see after restoration if it's gonna be the same or not. I'm still interested though. It's very cool to have this, very handy. All right, thank you. Oh, what's up, guys? So this motor so far has been my favorite. It's just so easy, the wiring. Just I just separated them. The whole cable came out easily. This came out easily. This part came out easily. And look at this bearing. Damn, looks nice. I think it's a bearing. No, it's not a bearing. This is I think it's a bush. I'm not sure. We'll see later. Oh my god, it's so easy to remove this. Alright, man, so as I was hammering this down, trying to remove it, I didn't think about the fact that when I hammer this part with that much force, well, obviously this thing's gonna get bigger. So I couldn't even remove it because now I have to file this front, just the edge, which is fine because this will go all the way at the end. So I shouldn't have any problem with reducing the size of the front just a little bit. And then again, I have to hammer it. But this time, probably after I sand this area, I have to hammer it really quickly and not put too much pressure on it. We'll see. Look at this bearing.